new and different way. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to Art Cove exhibit launching of Gilded Expressions, a one-on exhibit by Jojo Vito. Gilded Expression features a collection of Jojo Vito's most stunning gilded artwork, from intricately gilded frames to shimmering sculpture. Each piece is a testament to his skills and creativity. Through his work, Jojo Vito captures the essence of nature and the human experience, reminding us of the preciousness of life and the importance of cherishing each moment. To start today's event, may we call on the Park Inn by Radisson Bacolod's Room Division Manager, Mr. Archie Javaliana, for his opening remarks. Round of applause.
To our dear group guests, colleagues, and friends from the media, I am pleased to welcome you all to the Art Cove at Park Inn Radisson Bacolod, where we proudly showcase Gilded Expressions, a one-man show with talented artist Mr. Jojo Vito. At Park Inn Radisson Bacolod, we believe in promoting and supporting the local arts and culture scene, and that's why we are thrilled to feature the works of none other than the artist, who has become an icon himself of modern Negrete art here in our hotel. As you walk through our space, you will see a stunning display of gilded artworks and display crafts that showcase exceptional talent and the artist's commitment to preserving the traditional art form. Each piece is a talent to his skill and creativity, from intricately gilded frames to shimmering sculptures. The opening of Gilded Expressions is particularly special, as it falls on the artist's birthday, making this a truly memorable occasion. To our artist, Mr. Jojo Vito, happy birthday. Thank you for trusting us your exquisite artworks. I also want to take this opportunity to thank our guests as well for your continuous support of the hotel and the arts and for making such an event possible. Once again, I will invite you to explore and discover the intricate beauty and wonder of each art piece. If you wish to purchase any of these artworks, please get in touch with our front desk or seek any assistance from our staff. Thank you and enjoy the exhibit.
Thank you, Sir Archie. Okay, our artist is regarded as Bacolod's premier artist for decorative pieces, an icon for a unique furnishing, and a master of Masskara Festival-inspired art. His design gallery already reached global recognition and has been featured in several international programs, such as CNN and notable shows in Korea and China. Recognized as SME of the year 2020 by the Department of Trade and Industry. As a creative genius, he is a proud recipient of local and regional awards, such as Pasimuno and Gawad Bacolod Awardee for the culture and arts of Bacolod and Bago City respectively. His experience and recognition made him an influential professor in various universities and colleges, and a management consultant for DTI-initiated program that mentors small to medium-sized businesses. His sculptural pieces embody glitter and class, leaves trails of shimmer that will never be forgotten. Let us welcome and let's give a round of applause to our artist and the birthday celebrant, Mr. Jojo Vito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for that introduction, which will be longer than my speeches actually. As I was listening to Sir Archie, I said, oh my God, may prepare with Sir Archie isang space na uyaman pa. But thank you very much for coming. And I really would like to thank Park Inn by Radisson Bacolod for having me here today. It is really an honor. Before I say something, I would like to thank you for that. For helping, especially the team of Sir Archie, for the marketing team of Park Inn by Radisson. Let's give them a big round of applause. They have been very supportive of me. Even last night when we were doing our ingress, for example, from the marketing to the engineering, and everybody in the hotel they were all ready to help us to mount the exhibit. So I'm very, very happy for that, especially that you are here today. And about the exhibit, Gilded Expression. I think I mentioned this a while ago with an interview with me. Gilded Expression actually is, there are two angles that is, Gilded Expression is very important. For me, Gilded Expression, gilded means, it connotes something glittering, something beautiful, something shimmering, something that is luxurious. And I would like to liken that the lives of every ingredient, but I'm not looking into the economic conditions of every individual. So what I'm trying to say is that gilded thing, all of us are having that in ourselves. We always have the desire and even the dream to have that beautiful life, to have that beautiful dream to better our lives. And by creating these pieces, I wanted to remind people who will be buying our pieces to always live the dream. Secondly, at home, I have also pieces that I decorated in my room, and every time I would like to refresh these items, I would normally gild them and put them, colors, gold, something glittery. They will make it new. And so for me, gilded means it's also reinvention. I would like to, today is my birthday, it's my 35th birthday.
Correct.
Okay, 35th and a half. It's my 35th birthday. Hindi na kaya ako na may birthday, so hindi niya napagbatuhin. So, at my age, I have never been this busy. I'm now teaching with several universities, and I think it's a way also of reinventing ourselves. Today, I would like to remind people to always reinvent themselves, so always remain something relevant in today's time. So, with all these activities, I believe that with the pieces that we are having right now, it will always remind people to live a beautiful and gilded life. So I would like to encourage you all to just, if Catriona Gray is looking at things with a silver lining, I would like to encourage you also to see things through a golden lace, gilded lace of your petticoat. So, thank you very much for attending this afternoon. Some of the friends that I have invited are still on their way. They're having classes actually. The some people have promised to come, and even the other schools who had also promised to come, and even other media people promised to come, but they cannot come today, so they will be visiting the exhibit also in some other days. The exhibit will run for 3 months, and rest assured that we'll be replenishing, adding more pieces to our exhibit right now. Why this exhibit is very important for me, before I forget, supposed to be the things that you will be seeing here are actually intended for my home inside, for my bahay kubo there. So I personally chose this and designed this for my home. Unfortunately, nobody can really be that prepared for an exhibit. So I decided, because time is running short, to put all the things that I have prepared for my home to be part of this exhibit. So what you will be seeing there actually is very, very close to my heart. It has a story to tell. Just ask me a story if you want to do it. Joke only. Joke only. Of course, it has meaning to me. When I say gilded, for example, a lot of pieces here speaks about love, about family, about love for beauty, love for future. These are the meaning of the pieces that you are seeing at the back. So I can tell you stories about that as we go along the rest of the afternoon. Thank you so much for having me once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir. At this point in time, may we invite in Mr. Art Cove, Miss Portia Abeliana, and Mr. Jojo Vito to do us the honor of cutting the ceremonial ribbon.
By the way, Sir Jojo Vito, on behalf of our General Manager, Mr. Sherwin West, who will join us today as he's feeling under the weather, we would like to thank you again, once again, for celebrating celebrating your birthday with us and then for opening this art tour. Thank you.
Since today is a special moment for our artists, let us all sing together a happy birthday song for Mr. Jojo